Vocabulary activities can be accessed in two ways, either by using the Go button on the dashboard or using the Vocabulary tab along the top. We'll cover the Go button first. When you click on the Go button, you are taken to the next vocabulary activity. The dashboard will present vocabulary activities to you following certain lessons. If you are ever unsure of what to do next, just click on the Go button, and the software will take you to the correct lesson or activity. When you enter a vocabulary activity by pressing the Go button, this is what you will see. The indicator on the left will show you how many words you've completed and how many words you need to complete before you move on to the next lesson. The words are grouped into various categories. These categories include high frequency, more words, and nonsense words. You can choose the word you want to practice by clicking on it. Once you've selected a word, this screen appears. You're required to decode the word by using the skills and markings from the lesson. Once the word has been decoded, it moves to the top of the screen. Then you will see and hear a definition and context sentence. Some words may have more than one definition and context sentence. You may also see a picture for a word. If a word has another form or usage, such as an ending or another tense, you will see the words appear in gray on the screen. Click the word to hear a context sentence. The speaker icon next to each word, definition, and context sentence allows you to listen to the audio again. The recording controls allow you to record yourself pronouncing the words. You must have a microphone connected to your computer. The Next Word button will appear if there are more words in the list. Click it to advance to the next word list. Click on the Back to List button to return to the vocabulary activity main page, where you can select another word to decode or review. Notice the words you've completed are highlighted in yellow. This will allow you to track the words you've done. To return to the dashboard, press the Back button or click on the X in the upper right corner. The second way to access vocabulary activities is through the Vocabulary tab. This screen is very similar to the Lessons tab. The vocabulary activities are divided into 6 chapters. The bar along the top shows each chapter. You will start in Chapter 1 and move through all the activities until you've reached the end of Chapter 6. Chapters that you are working in will have a yellow dot in the Chapter tab. When you have finished the chapter, the dot will turn green and you will be moved to the next chapter. On the right, you can search for words that interest you, even if you haven't learned the skills necessary to read them yet. First, type the word in the box. Then press the Enter key on your keyboard and click the Search button. The word is located. If it is beyond your skill level, it is shown with its decoding marks. In the center section is the list of vocabulary activities for the chapter. Your next or current vocabulary activity will be highlighted in yellow. Select the activity you would like to work on or review. On the left, you see the title icon for the selected activity, as well as the number of words required and completed for that lesson. Click on the Show Words button to enter the activity. Remember, completing extra vocabulary exercises will help you better comprehend what you are already learning. You will be assigned a certain number of words to complete based on your lesson score. The fewer errors you make, the fewer words will be required in the vocabulary activity.